Nakawawa yung kapatid. Okay lang yan. Joke lang. Ito naman. Okay lang yan. Joke ka lang eh. Okay nga yan eh. Oo, okay na yan. Mabok, parang di naman. Oh, picture kayo dito. Diyan o. Mama! Mama, oh! Consti, ka dito, Consti. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Yan na kayo ulit dyan, sa seat. Hanapin nyo yung seat nyo. There. 1, 2, 3. Asan na kayo? Itwell. First, ito ka muna pupunta. Pag may booking ka. Tapos, kukunin mo yung hindi. Scan mo muna yung mga ano dyan, mga bags, except gadget and water. And after that, we're gonna go to the assistance desk. Tapos, bibigyan ka nila ng number. Yan. Tapos, may mga souvenirs. Here. Hello! Are you excited?
Ina ng ating Pangulo doon sa Manila. Pero kapag wala ang letter G, Malacanang, it now refers to the palace itself or yung mismong palasyo.
Where are you? Bil tayong taho?
Napakagaya ng kabayo pa rin, nakakawakaw kayong tao.
Can smell the horse now.
Wala nang hawak-hawak po si Lola Teta eh.
Hey! Go, love! Are you good? Good? Okay. Nice. Ah! Hello. Very good.
Look to the camera of your mommy.
It's okay. Punta sa kabila mamaya. Hello. Hi, Princess. Hi, Princess Russia. Hi. And hi here. Are you the next?
Yes.
Mag-horseback riding ka. Kaya ka ba nung horse?
Aha.
Aha.
Kabayo
Oo, ito lang ang akan.
Love, giddy up. Giddy up, horsey, giddy up. Giddy up, horsey, giddy up.
Tsaka hindi siya Ano ba yan? Kasi Besh, nagkaroon na ako ng lesson dun sa
Change. Doon po, okay, mag-change. Yes. Cut ka dyan, Mami. Oh. Wait lang. Dad, kunin mo nga anak mo. Kunin mo yung anak mo. Dad, ay yung ano, putik. Doon mo sa kabila kunin. Yan. There you go. Very good. Hold tight. Nice. Very good. Baby, yung water. You had fun?
Dito ka lang nakawak sa isa.
Yan. Oh, there. Oh, come on.
Ano sa palagay mo, mama? Mukhang
Anya.
Mukhang
Good.
ano sa palagay mo? Kaya ka, okay naman.
Oh. Awaan ka ni Kuya, wag ka mag-alala.
Ano, okay ba yung upo mo palagay mo?
Okay.
Oh. Okay ka lang dyan. Pwede lumingon. Charas. Yan. Very good.
Okay naman.
Ma picture. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Hi. Who's we are waiting? There. Hello, Ma. Ma. Hi. Ha. Oy, awak ka. Ikaw talaga. There. Very good. There you go. Thank you po. Idihan pan, love. Kanino po kayo magbabayad? Go. Let's do this. Oh, di ba? Oh, come on. Go there na. Oh, we're here in Mirador Heritage and Eco Spirituality Park with Russia and Mami Teta. Saan ba start? Dito po. There's a butterfly. I'll go. Low. Ay, butike. Sige. There's a butterfly. Now in where? Mirador Bamboo Grove. Arashiyama. Oh, see? Oh. Then you take a picture there, okay? Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Nice. See, look, it's what's the plant give us? A what? Go move. Cold what? Cold wind. Look, oh. See, it's really cold here, right? Mama, this way daw. Pero pwede rin dito kasi dumaan na kami dito dati. Hindi, memorial ano yan eh. Dito muna tayo. Sige. Yeah. This bamboo grove is inspired in Japan. Inspired in Japan. Yan dito mama sa trail na to. Go. Hindi. So in Japan, you will also see like this. Okay? Hold baby. Hold mahal. Hold. That's why there's ano there. You can also hold the nanay tatay mama. Ma-hold. Hold mo yung apo mo. Para may banding kayo. Now in Resap Rock Garden. Okay, take a picture. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Let's go now. Oh, hi butterfly. Oh, let's go. That's why dapat nagdala tayong payong.
And I should have brought a jar.
Yeah. And also a net. Here, up. Going up. Here. Yeah, going up. But you can see the view, right? Oh, see? Ano? Oh, sit down there so I can take your picture. Sige, sit down. Ay. They're leading us going up. Here, ma'am. Here. Move more. Oh yeah, that's the ano na yun?
Flower.
Ko alam kung ano. Hindi kita. Go. Hold, anak. Make sure you hold. Going to Mirador Pandemic Memorial. Tired na? Are you giving up na? That's the Virtue of Hope Garden, that one. There, oh. Let's rest a little and go there now, okay? When you reach the exit, you will see Daddy and all of them. Okay? There, Mirador Peace Memorial. There. There's also like this, every station. There's a Nipahat. Wait a minute. In Santa Maria Eco Trail. Okay, go there. You want also to go there in the swing? There's a swing over there. You want? You don't want to try? Okay. Let's continue the trail. Oh, look at that. It's really good. Let's go. Also, yung mga hut na yan, you can also picnic there. Pwede kayo mag-picnic dyan kasi yan. Yeah, but other people, they used to North Mirador Peace Memorial Good Shepherd Trail. Okay. Garden of the Immaculate Conception. Are still good there? Oh, watch your step, please.
I don't know where we're going and we can't find the exit.
And, oh. You can also take a picture there. We took a picture there before. Meron lang ano dito. Sabi may mga nipakat na. To Mirador Peace Memorial. Here, the exit is this one. You look for this Peace Memorial, okay? Or you go there first and have some photo shoot. Ayun na, may mga ano na dun. Oh, nice. Yeah. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Mag-picnic dyan. Dati kasi wala yan, di ba? Ay, wala na si Kuya. Dito, go. Alam ko ka pwede eh. Okay, to Mirador Peace Memorial. Okay. Yan na doon, oh. Mag-picture pa kayo doon. Doon, oh. Doon, mama, oh. Doon ka muna, anak. I'll take a picture for nanay, tatay. Let's go to the bell. Init. Oh, come on here. Uwi natin, mahal. No, we cannot. It's too far na if we were gonna go back. Dito sa may well. This is a Jesus Apostle. Dito. Oh, here, move. Here, move. Oh, there. Here. In Jacob's wishing well. Oh, see? Okay, take a picture. Baka malaglag yung phone mo. Mamaya na kayo mag-wish. Mag-take muna kayo ng picture. Sige na. Oh, you wish? Once you're done, you can drop your coin. Nice! Good job! We wish you all your wishes come true. Come on, go there. You pick also by yourself. There, move.
Hey, I know one.
Yes, see? There's other one and bigger. There's a bigger there. There, go. Yeah, is it? Is it?
Yeah. It looks like blackberry.
Yeah, like that.
Sa atin, ano siya pahaba? Ito bilog.
Oo. Crazy?
Huwag yugyugin, baka may mga...
Oo. Pag ano, kain mo na. Taste it.
Yung sa aming kaya, pahaba
Yeah, taste it.
Ito bonsai. Ito,
No, not like that. You need to eat it all.
Oh,
Swallow it all. Yeah. Yummy?
pahaba yung sa amin.
Eh, what did you got? Oh, but look, this one is a bit, this one is a bit sour. But it's red. Baka malagay sa ano mo ha, damit.
Dagtanga, pati sapatos nalagyan.
Ano ba? Let's go na berries. Come on. Faster. Thank you, trees, for the fruits.
Thanks for the fruit, please.
Saan sa baba? Dito?
Here.
Ganda talaga.
Look at.
Be careful, mommy.
Yes, thank you.
I
Oh.
can see the whole Baguio.
Yeah.
And I can see some fields.
Even though it's, maybe in the video you will not appreciate it, but it's really good. Even though there's a lot of houses.
So pretty. It is so pretty here. You must come here if you want to see the whole view of Baguio.
Yes.
And now we're going to exit, and also we pick some berries.
This one.
Okay, bye.
See you later. Okay.
Looks like we're going home.
Almost in there. Now, we're almost to the exit. Oh, it's really good. You take a picture also here, okay? Oh, I feel the cold wind. How was it?
Goody good.
Goody good. Okay. Yeah. This is the Christian Prayer Union with Croatian. Go. We're almost there. Can you see it? Yeah, yung red bell. Actually, that's a temple in Japan, but they also call it bell. That one. We're almost. There you go.
Ganda talaga, nakakapula.
Okay. See? We're here. So maganda. Who's the maganda? Can I see the maganda? Eh. Oh, ma. Okay, let's go. Here. Oh, there. Garden Shrine of Lady of Peace. Oh, there. Sit down there, mahal. Come on. There, with mom, nanay. Okay. Of our video, we were going to eat now here in Bahay Lourdes. Bye! Pasalubong today.
I pass it over.
Give them your pasalubong.
Whoa! Where'd you get that?
From the
Oh, careful with the ano ha, the stain.
Ati.
Oh, hindi yan ate. Stress ko na. Kain na lang tayo na. Ano kinakain ma?
Binatog.
Pinatagin bagay. Bibinatog pa lang sa Baguio ka pa magbibinatog.
Binatog. Iba yung binatog nila rito.
Bakit?
May gatas.
Ganun naman sa Manila.
Pampangasin lang. Tsaka ano.
Hindi naman. Let's try. Kung ano pa pwedeng gawin. Gusto mo yan eh. Ayan, sige, akyat. Daan muna tayo ng simbahan. Daan muna tayong simbahan, tapos pupunta na tayo ng SM for dinner. Ito ka. Nangyari sa paama. Maganda pagod. Sige. Then, dumaan lang dito sa bagong coffee na Good Shepherd Coffee.